haven't done any music in a couple weeks until tonight, and I'm so happy. I'm just having so much fun with you guys and the creativity, and it's like the core of my happiness.
Yep.
But man, the power of friendship and collaboration in music is and creativity. Don't underestimate it.
This is not an LPM friend group. This is an LPM family.
Yeah,
And I am
amen, amen,
so
brother.
happy
Yeah.
to be here and to have all of you and hear your music.
And it didn't really occur to me until we were in this moment. I haven't been able to do this for a couple weeks. It's like, oh wow, the time just zoomed by,
Yeah.
and I'm engaged, and happy. So I think it's important when you have those recognitions to call them out.
Yeah.
So thank you all tremendously.